everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and today we are taking a break from ramen and instead doing a different but still delicious Japanese classic, udon soup. Let's get into it. Let's start off with a medium pot on the stove. The base of the soup will be a vegan dashi. Check out the link in the description to learn just how easy dashi is to make. Next, stir in some soy sauce and mirin. I prefer to add a little bit of sugar as well. Give it all a good mix and bring to a simmer. Continue to simmer the broth for 15 minutes. Now let's get some water boiling for our noodles. I'm using fresh udon made in our previous episode, which will take about 5 minutes to cook. Give the noodles a good rinse under cold water and place into a bowl. Now pour in the udon broth. Finally, top it all off with some freshly cut green onion. It be looking gorgeous, so let's slurp this dish.
The broth has a really nice deep flavor, and the saltiness from the soy sauce pairs really nice with the sweetness from the mirin. Now, udon is very often just the noodles and broth, but feel free to add any broccoli, bok choy, just anything you feel like might make it good.
Well, that does it for today. Let me know if there's any noodle recipes you guys want to see down in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
I totally did not make a move.